Look at that. That's the adjuster nut. That didn't take too much cleaning. Wire brush, elbow grease, WD-40. Work the nut up and down. Didn't even use a tap, just work the nut up and down it. Now that gives reason for optimism, doesn't it? Now I better do the other one. Well, if I'm out of breath, it's because I've just been shoving the lawnmower up and down on the lawn. It's back together, it works. I'm going to do a little bit more to her, make her prettier, but the adjusters adjust. She cuts grass. How about that?